Good morning, my friends. These are the colors we'll be using. This is Stargazer. I hope I have enough for 2 blooms. It's a primary element, and this is Deco Art's Sapphire Metallic. We're going to do some leaves also, and for that I use Verdian and Sap Green. Beautiful colors. So let me make the two petals. I have enough. I think I do. I'm also going to be using a little bit gold in the middle. Okay, now for my pillow paint, I have a good amount on there, but I did spin it out a little bit. I'm trying to find exactly how much. It's not a thick pillow. Exactly how much, because I don't want my flowers to fly off. Okay, well, let's do some, I'm going to do Verdian. Let's see. And I'm going to use Sap Green. Maybe just, well, I know I'm going to put a little gold in here and in here, but maybe just, I don't know, somewhere's a little bit. Just experimenting. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to blow out the leaves first. Whoops, that was the wrong side. You want to put it closer to on the side of the flower. I'm going to be using my, let me torch any bubbles, my miniature blow dryer. This one. That Verdian is so pretty. I'm still learning. I'm still learning how far or how close to keep the leaves. Not quite sure yet exactly, but let's hope that will work. Now, for my sapphire blue, I'm going to put it around the edge. All right, now I'll want this one. I'll blow this one first because the last one you blow will be the main one, and I think I want that one since that's kind of more to the edge. So torch it for bubbles. Did you understand what I said? If I didn't make myself clear, I want this to be the the main bloom, so I'll do that one first. All right, here we go. Got a lot of white there. Where's the blue? Wanted it darker. Okay. I wanted it a little bit darker, so maybe on this one, maybe I'll add a little green blue right around here. I don't know. Let's see. A lot of that pillow paint came up. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Let's let that settle a little bit. And then we'll do some doodling. Kind of blend the leaf in with the, I'll probably come off anyway. Whoops. No, don't want to do that. A lot of that will come off. Okay, now I'm going to make some petals. That will come off. It's looking pretty. Don't like doing that. Okay. You have to be careful when you bring the stick up that it doesn't dribble. See, I'm really liking this dark blue around the edge. That's what I wanted. Maybe I need to put more dark blue next time. Okay. Now, that's already doing that. These booms are so there. See this white? Sometimes I like to take a little let's see if I can do this. Oh well. That didn't do exactly what I want, but it might be spun off anyway. So I don't want it to spin too much off because it's really pretty. But we do have to spin and get that paint off. We don't want it cracking at the end. Oh, that's pretty. I think I made my blooms a little too big because my canvas is too small. But I'm afraid there's going to be, yeah, there's still a lot of paint on. Unfortunately, I have to still spin. Okay, I think I'll stop there. I think that will be okay. And I think I'll try it again, maybe on a bigger canvas. I love the Verdian with the Sap Green. Okay, I'll take you down for a closer look. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll try to do a little bigger. Okay. Bye-bye.